Hey everybody, JC again with Stoner Car Care. Today we're talking about cloth upholstery detailing and how to clean it. Like and subscribe for more videos. The materials you need include a vacuum cleaner or shop vac, an upholstery cleaner, soft bristle brush, microfiber towel. Optionally, stain-specific cleaners. So when we talk about cloth upholstery, what we're really talking about is anything soft inside your car. So that could be upholstery seats, it could be your carpet, it could be your headliner. Anything really soft that you could clean with a spot cleaner is what we're talking about today. Odds are, other than your house and work, you're spending most of your time commuting in your car. So over time, it's gonna get dirty. It's gonna be from snacks. It's gonna be from grabbing fast food, even though we know we're not supposed to. First thing you wanna do is take out any big parts that's gonna get in your way of cleaning. So like my back seat at home, I have a baby seat in the back, I have kids' toys all over the back. Take those big things out, remove your carpets, and then we'll get down to spot treating your upholstery. So now that we've removed all the large items from the vehicle, the first thing we want to do is remove any pet hair, large debris items from your seats, from your carpets, things like that. What we're going to use here is a vacuum cleaner or a wet dry vac or a shop vac. Things to watch out for: we don't want to make any stains that are actively on your seats worse. So use light pressure, don't rub anything in, and remember, if it's a wet stain, it has to be a wet dry vac or a shop vac, as that'll ruin normal household vacuum cleaners. Simply work in the crevices, pull up any debris you can, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now that we're done with vacuuming, it's time to apply cleaner. There's several ways you can do this. If you have a hot water extractor, that's a great way to get stains out of your upholstery. Today we're gonna use a carpet and upholstery cleaner to get our stains out. As with any cleaner, you're gonna want to test this in an out-of-sight area to make sure it's compatible with your surface. And then simply work in small areas with a soft bristle brush or a microfiber towel. Today we're using Stoner's upholstery and carpet cleaner. This is a great high foaming product that'll make sure that the cleaner stays on top of your surface as much as possible. Whenever you're cleaning and using chemicals, you need to remove as much as you can out, or they will sit in your seats and your soft surfaces later. This is a nice heavy foam that'll sit on top and not penetrate too deep and work on the stains where you want it. After your cleaner's down, agitate lightly with a soft bristle brush or a microfiber towel. See some of that pulling up? After agitating the stains, simply blot up with a microfiber towel or cotton terry cloth. You can also extract any excess cleaner and stains with a shop vac or a wet dry vac. It never hurts to have a shop light or a flashlight helping you find these deep, dark stains, especially if you're in a dark colored car or you've got tinted windows. I'm just working in small concentric circles, trying to let the brushes do the agitation rather than me leaning too hard on the fabric. Keep blotting until you can pull out as much of the moisture and excess cleaner as you can. Another quick tip: if you're working on vertical surfaces, start at your top and work down so you don't have dirty solution going down into your clean areas that you've already worked on. One of the things about upholstery stains is they can hide and you not even notice how dirty your seats actually are. Once this cleaner gets in here, you can see how much dirt is getting lifted to the surface. You don't want that on your seats. If you're working on a very heavily soiled area, you know you're done when you blot and your microfiber pulls up and it's still clean. Now that you've cleaned the upholstery, you gotta let it dry. Simply crack your windows, aim a fan at it if you're in the garage, or let it in the sun. And that's it. Considering how much time you spend inside your car, it's worth the extra time to detail your upholstery and all your soft surfaces. And that's all you need. We hope you liked the video. This is JC from Stoner Car Care. We'll see you on the next one.
Oh my God. Jalen Rieger over here.
Dude, I'm not used to having to look at this and then.
Don't worry about the camera after you catch it.
Okay.